Hey everybody, my name is Martin Bester. Welcome to the vlog on our blog. We like to call it MBD TV. This week we are talking parrots. That's right, talking parrots, because we all know how clever parrots can be. I mean, parrots are cleverer than some people we know. Check this one, for instance. It answers the phone.
Hello.
How's that for an answering machine? But now listen, the next parrot is so clever, they called him Einstein. Check Einstein. How talented is this bird?
Let's do a wolf. Good. How about a bird? Can you do a bird? How about a rooster? How about a chimpanzee? Good job, Einstein. Can you do a pig? Let's do some sound effects too. Spaceship? Good. Good. Spaceship with the laser. Yeah. Can you fall down? There you go. It's a little splat at the end. Does that hurt? Yeah.
But when it comes to parrots on the web, this is the all-time favorite. This parrot got more than 8 million hits on YouTube because it's not just any parrot. It's a beatboxing parrot. Check this.
Right, it's basically a sick beat.
Okay, so fair enough. These parrots are clever. These are talented birds. But just when you think you've seen it all, I'd like to introduce to you today a parrot that thinks it's a bull. When this parrot sees red, it charges like a real bull from Spain. But it's not from Spain. No, it's from Centurion, right here in Gauteng, South Africa. Check out this parrot. His name is Attie.
Wow! How cool was that parrot? If we had bigger budget, we would superimpose a parrot here where my hand is. But we don't. So till next time, send this on to your friends. From Martin Bester and the team at MBD TV. Bye!